As I grew older, I always known to myself that I want to be a teacher someday. I was inspired by the generations of families of teachers lying on my side. I told myself, I want to be one of them. I want to share my knowledge onto the next generations. Until admission for university came. I don't know what major should I take. I was struggling to decide which am I going into, thinking what's best for me and want to settle with. At the peak of my decision making, one of my cousins who was a science teacher told me that, why don't you take physical education instead? She saw skills from me that I cannot see every time I look in the mirror and asking myself, what's my purpose? I admission as a physical education student. Even though I'm not a sporty nor active student, I did take the risk, thinking it was maybe my destiny. The stars aligned to me when I saw from the college post that I passed. Joys were crumbled when mixed emotion comes to my mind. I told myself, this is it. I am not gonna waste this opportunity. Weeks had passed when classes started. I was pressured on how competitive my classmates were. As someone who was not a sporty person, it's hard for me to blend with those people that are well impressive in terms of sports. And yet, I keep on fighting. I did try to be active, joining dance activities in our program, build friendship to others, and embracing my chosen path as a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As my journey keeps going, I realize that physical education is not only on sports. Physical education is very broad. It's not only focuses on sports but also in dancing and others as it promotes our overall health. I believe that this is the holistic purpose of education, of physical education. It not just improves you physically, but also improves you mentally, socially, spiritually, and emotionally. I believe that the best way to describe us physical education student is holistic. They say that if you are a physical education student, there's no way or things that you can't do. As I connect it to myself, I know that I'm not holistic yet, but I am willing to study, to learn and adapt environments that I am surely know that I can use it for my future endeavors. Practice makes good, not perfect. The reason for it is that there's always a room for improvement. There's so much we don't know, and there's so much that we should be willing to learn. As I continue this journey, I always hold on to my beliefs that even if you do not know your way, come to God and He will lead you to the path of your success. Thank you so much.